Say hi, Banjing.
Hi. Today we got this.
What do we have? What's that? Oh, no, that's not. This is for you, this one here. So we got this xSHOT.
I want to open it. Open.
So there's one for Sherilyn and one for James. So they're gonna shoot those cans in there. We didn't buy the spare bullets. We got this for Kmart for, I can't remember how much. I think it was $12. So we're gonna open it up with the scissors. Take it out. They've already opened this. It cost us $8. It's got a lightsaber and a gun. No, it's okay, I'll do it. Careful with the scissors. Yes. What are you showing? What's that? That's just papers. That's just papers. Where's your gun? You show your gun over here. This one. You show it. Oh, come on, go. You can do it. Go. Shoot. Yes. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna post the video. We're gonna open that. Okay, we got it open. Sort of everywhere at the moment. Okay. So we're lining up the it's a can. So we're gonna have to shoot this. I think it goes like this, ate. The other way around. See, like that. Like this. See? Okay. Look at that. So if you put it to some, I don't know what this is. So, okay, show me. Here you go. Here. Show it to them. So, you put the bullets in. Hey, no, that's the wrong way. Over here. No, that's okay. Oh, that's where the bullet goes. The extra bullets, it goes in there. Okay. Yes. Sure, go. Pull. Oh, you put it there and then pull this. You just wait. Sorry. So you put the bullets in there, like that, and then you pull this. You pull it all the way until it clicks, see? And now you shoot. Come on. See? No, that's yeah. Remember, you got 8 bullets. So pull until it clicks. Then you shoot. You gotta have to push the no bullets inside. See? You have to go far and shoot. Here you go, just wait. Okay, we're just gonna go stand it up. You can see. Doesn't work that way. Can you get the bullets, please? You need to load one for Banjing, please. Banjing over here. Okay, send it up. Give me one bullet. Sorry, there's the bullet there. You put it inside. Then you press it a bit hard. And then you pull the trigger. Oh, Banjing, you shoot. Come on. I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 7. We got 7 or 8 bullets. So I'm gonna go shoot. Oh, where did it go? It's over there in the kitchen. Oh no. How is it? Gone? Okay, pull this, pull.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Benjing doesn't know how to pull it. James, pull it. There's one in the table over there.
Oh man.
Oh man. Okay, let's go. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Oh, just wait. It turned into. Oh, there you go.
Please
There you go.
like and subscribe.